Getting cheaper clicks on Amazon seems impossible nowadays. But what if I tell you there's still a way to get cheaper clicks and show your ads on Amazon? And if you want this, you have to master the product targeting ads. Because right now, this product targeting ad strategy is the most profitable one. And in this video, I will walk you through everything, including some advanced tactics that still most of the sellers aren't using. Product targeting ads are not a new thing. It's been there for years, but some recent update make it very powerful. And whether you are launching new product, defending your brand, scaling up your sales, this ad strategy can help you to boost up your sales while maintaining a low cost. Product targeting means to show your ads in other product listing, and it can be your competitor product, even on your own product. Instead of showing your product while anyone searching by any keywords, you are now showing your product when someone visiting other product listings, whether it's yours or your competitors. You can run product targeting ads in different ad campaigns type like sponsored product, sponsored brand, sponsored display, and often the placement of these product targeting ads are very cheap and it gives a very low CPC. But the placement is also help to generate a massive traffic, and you will see whenever you are running any product targeting ads, you will see the impression is very high. So as the CPC is very low, it helps to boost up the visibility very fast and gain some traffic from your competitor listing or other places where product targeting ads are being shown. Now let me show you how you can set up your product targeting campaigns. So here, after I click on create campaign, I will see all these types of options that Amazon right now provide us, like sponsored product, sponsored brand, sponsored display, and all these three types of campaign I can run product targeting ads. So the most popular one is sponsored products. So if I click and continue, so here I will find all the options. So at the starting, I can give an ad group name for like ASIN, and then I can see my products and I can just search here with my product ASIN or SKU or name, and then I can add one of my item here that I want to target, and like I want to show this product ad in like other product listings. Then I can scroll down and here I will pick manual targeting. So under manual targeting, you will see two options. One will be keyword targeting and another one will be product targeting. And we have to pick the product targeting here. And after we pick product targeting here, Amazon will automatically suggest one category that goes with our item that we just added to show our product ads. And here we can also pick individual products that we want to target for my item. So for example, I can here pick with suggested, or I can just enter a list, and also I can search by any ASIN. Amazon will show up them and I can add them here. And normally I suggest you to enter ASIN list and manually pick the ASIN that you want to show your products ads. And after you input your ASINs here, you can either pick exact or you can pick expanded. Here exact means the only ASINs that you are going to target that will show your products ads. And expand means if you give 10 ASIN, and Amazon will see and match what are the other like similar competitor ASINs that we can also target. So Amazon will automatically pick far more ASINs that than you are targeting, and they will show the products ads. Now here's two things, like one will be it may increase your spend a lot, and another thing, it will help you to gain more like traffic and more idea about what are the ASINs that you even can target here. So this new update made this product targeting much more stronger, because you now have a automatic campaign just for the product targeting that have options to give you more suggestions that you may miss in some cases. So you can pick either both of them, or here you can pick only the exact one, whatever strategy you'd like to use. So for me, if I am not able to pick any specific ASIN that are going to give me a good results, I normally pick expanded, and I try to see these campaigns and run them for 3 to 4 weeks to get some idea and data. Then I can move them into the exact product targeting ads for better results. Now here, for example, I pick these two products, and here you can see the bidding. I can adjust those bids, and if I scroll down, here's the most important part. It's the bidding strategy. So for product targeting ads, as I told you, like the overall CPC is very low for product targeting. So you can either pick up and down, or you can go with the down only strategy. Most of the cases I use down only strategy because these types of campaigns have a lots of traffic, and it can gain a lots of like clicks somehow, because if you don't have enough data and you are like bidding slightly high, then it can waste up very big amount of budget. So that's why I usually use down only bidding strategy. But if I know what are the asins are going to work well for my product, then I use up and down strategy, so that I can show up my product ads into the other product listing, and that can give us like a more traffic, and it can convert more into sales. So for you, if you are just creating a new campaign just to get some idea, then you can go with the bidding strategy down only. And if you have a proper like idea how it will work, then you can go with up and down. One more thing here is, as you just saw, like we have option for like targeting exact and expanded, and you can pick down only bidding strategy if you target expanded, because on expanded targeting it will gain up a lots of other like product that you may not target them. So going with the bidding strategy down only will help you to save a lots of budget. And if you gonna target exactly that particular asin, then you can go with up and down, because you may think that my product will do well under this product listing. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that you can use both exact and expanded target in one campaign. So for example, here you can see I have added exact and expanded for that single asin that I have targeted. I don't recommend it because it will not give you a proper data and accurate results. So I will suggest you can either create two separate campaign or two separate ad group for these different types of targeting. And after you pick your bidding strategy, you can add your placement preference. So I will recommend you to increase slightly percentage like 30% or 25% at the beginning for the product pages. And then you can just pick your campaign name, and then you choose your portfolio and pick a daily budget, and then you can launch your campaigns. Now let me show you one of my campaign that I was running for a long time and how much traffic and sales it was giving me. So here you can see this campaign where I spent in last 30 days $275, and I got $2,400 in sales. And you can see the ACOS is only 11.47%. And if I scroll down, you can see my impression is around 7,000, but my click is over 200, and my CTR is almost 3%, which is very high in compare with other Amazon campaigns. And here you can see the CPC is 1.34%, and I got 18 orders here. And you can see overall I got how much sales and ACOS. And if I show you the overall a long term history, Here you can see in long term I have the ACOS below 10%, and here you can see I only spend around $1,800 and I got $18,000 in sales. And around this time in April, I got $5,000 sales by spending only $527. And right after that, the sales went down a bit because, as you can see here, these are ineligible. The most selling asins I got, those were ineligible. That's why I have to pause and the sales a bit down. One of the uh, issue I'm showing you here is whenever you are targeting any competitor asin and whenever their asin is going out of stock, that's when your ad will be also kind of stopped, because here you can see the competitor listing is out of stock or they are stopped selling. So my traffic is also in down, and along my sales are also in down. That's a risk factor for product targeting. So that's why Amazon expanded targeting type will help you to gain more and more asins that are similar to these types of competitor. So that's why my suggestion will be you can run always a expanded type campaign, and later on whenever you are finding new asin that you can target and giving you good result, then you can move them into the exact types of targeting and continue to grow your like campaign and gain more sales and traffic at much more lower cost. One of the biggest advantage of product targeting is like you can use them in offensive and defensive way. So just now I shared the campaign, it was offensive where you are targeting your competitor asins. Now let me show you one of the campaign, it's defensive, like you are targeting yourself asin. So in the self targeting campaign, here you can see I have targeted my own brand asin. So whenever anyone will visit my product detail page, they will see my other products ads. So here you can see I spent over $1,900 and I got $7,700 sales, and my ACOS is around 24%. But the biggest advantage I am getting here, so even though you are thinking the 25% ACOS is very high, for me defending my brand just for a little budget will not be very high, because I'm still getting a lots of sales. I able to remove my other competitor, and most importantly I can see which of my listing have how many impressions, click, like how many impressions they are getting, and I get all those others data that help me to understand like how my brand are growing. And here if I show you year to date data, you will see like continuously I am able to like improving the performance. Like for example, in the beginning of the year I spent around $200 and got $2,000 sales, and the last month I spent $2,500 and I got $12,000 of sales. Like I am here defending my products and also I am getting the sales. So it's a very big win-win situation for me. So this is a very great strategy for anyone to defending their brand from other competitors while getting some more sales from the competitor that are similar to your products. Now let me show you some of the ways that you can follow to like pick your competitor asins. So here I searched by coffee cups, and here you can see there are a lots of sellers that are showing their product in the fast page. I always suggest to target sellers that are showing their products in the fast page, because in second or third page most of the cases many buyers will not visit them. So you can pick here in two or three different ways. So first of all, you can pick the top seller, because the for example here they are selling 10,000 plus units every month, so you can go and target them because they are getting a lots of traffic. You can also gain a lots of traffic for your products, but the risk factor here is as they are getting a lots of sales, may not able to get much like clicks from these types of listing. So you can pick some other competitors that have a slightly lower sales or similar sales like yours, or their review ratings are not that good, like people are visiting their products, but they may look for other options to purchase because their like review ratings are not good or their price is slightly higher than the others. So from the first page you can pick items whether like bestsellers or like their review ratings are not good or the pricing is very high, or like the listing they are getting moderate sales. Also you can see there here's the options like newest arrivals or best sellers. You can filter out some sellers from here, so you can pick also the newest arrival. So for example, these are the new listing that are just arrived in Amazon, so you can try to target them because normally the new listing they are trying to show their products by running some aggressive ads, so it may help you to get some more sales from this new listing. So that's everything related to product targeting. As you can see, the product targeting campaigns have a very big potential in Amazon ads right now, and the number of keyword you can target on ads are very limited, but the competition is very high. So you can now target your competitor ASIN, and that will help you to gain more and more sales and traffic into your listing, and ultimately it will help you to like grow your organic visibility and some more sales at lower costs. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel because I will drop more and more new Amazon strategies that actually works. And if you are serious about your brand growth with these types of smart PPC strategies, then mail us at info@ecomclips.com. Also, we offer free audit for your brands on Amazon and any other marketplaces, so you can contact with us. See you in the next video. Till then, grow your brand with smart ads.